Hello students, welcome back to MKH video series. My name is Aditya and in the previous video we have successfully completed exercise 13.8 up to question number 7. So I hope you have done all the questions that have been done in the previous video. So now let us move on to the next question in this exercise. So that is question number 8, right? So you can see here it is given that a dome of building is in the form of a hemisphere, right? So यहाँ पे एक building का जो dome होता है, you can see the upper part, like you have seen in the Taj Mahal, right? So the upper part is like a hemisphere dome, right? So this you can see if I just draw it like a hemisphere. So now you can see here what is given here is that you can see from inside you can see it is whitewashed at the cost of rupees 4,989.60 rupees, right? So this is the cost for whitewashing from, you can see the inside, right? Now if the cost of whitewashing is rupees 20 per square meter, right? So यहाँ पे आपको क्या दे रखा है 1 meter square का चार्ज दे रखा है. Suppose this part is 1 meter square, so इसका चार्ज कितना है rupees 20, right? And total cost of whitewashing from inside you can see that is given to us as 4989.60 rupees, right? So this is the cost of whitewashing, right? So let me just start the solution here. So what is given is you can see the cost of whitewashing from inside, right? So that is given to us as you can see rupees 4989.60, right? Also you can see cost of, let me just correct this, so cost of whitewashing 1 meter square area is given to us as 20 rupees, right? Now हम first part में क्या निकालने वाले हैं, the inside or you can say the inner surface area of dome. So ये जो अंदर वाला जिसको white wash किया है ये सरफेस एरिया में फाइंड आउट करना है, राइट? हमें कॉस्ट गिवन है व्हाइट वॉशिंग की फ्रॉम इनसाइड दैट इज 4989.60 और हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, यू कैन सी द इनर सरफेस एरिया, राइट? सो अंदर का ये जो सरफेस एरिया दैट इज सिंपली द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, रिमेंबर दिस, राइट? सो दिस इज द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर, राइट? सो दिस इज द हेमिस्फीयर, यू कैन सी, और अंदर वाला कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया होगा. नाउ इफ यू कैन सी हियर कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे पूरा जो कोस्ट है व्हाइट वॉशिंग द इनर सरफेस एरिया उसको अगर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया की कॉस्ट से डिवाइड कर दूं, सो दैट विल गिव मी सिंपली द इनर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस हेमिस्फीयर, राइट? सो लेट मी जस्ट डू दैट. सो यहाँ पे यू कैन सी द सरफेस, द इनसाइड सरफेस, you can see area of dome is going to be calculated by dividing the, you can see, cost of whitewashing. Let me just correct that. You can see from inside by, you can see the cost of whitewashing 1 meter square area, right? So यहाँ पे total cost को मैं किससे divide करूंगा? By cost of white washing 1 meter square area, right? So what it will be is you can see total cost was 4989.60 divide by, you can see 1 meter square area white wash करने का कितना cost है, that is 20. So ये divide करने में मेरे पास क्या आ जाएगा, inner surface area of this dome, which we have to calculate in the first part, right? So let me just solve this. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं मैं यहाँ पे क्या कहूंगा 20 को क्या लिख सकता हूँ 2 into 10 लिख सकता हूँ. नाउ यहाँ पे 4989.60 एज इट इज, राइट? नाउ आप चाहे तो इस डेसिमल को रिमूव कीजिए. सो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में 100 आ जाएगा बिकॉज डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट्स हैं, सो 2 जीरोस और आ जाएंगी, राइट? सो यू कैन ऑल्सो प्लेस दीज जीरोस विद दिस 10 ऑल्सो, बट इफ यू कैन पुट इट सेपरेट दैट विल बी ऑल्सो ओके, राइट? नाउ यू कैन सी यहाँ पे डेसिमल रिमूव कर देता हूँ. अब यहाँ पे 2 के टेबल में इसको रिड्यूस करता हूँ, राइट? सो यू कैन सी ये 1 0 से तो 1 0 कैंसिल आउट कर ही देता हूँ. नाउ 2 के टेबल पे कितने बचेगा, 2 2 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8, 1 रिमेनिंग दैट विल मेक 18, 2 9 जा 18, then again 2 4 ja 8, 1 remaining, that will make 2 8 ja 16, right? So this will be, you can see 24948 divide by, you can see 10 into 10, that will be 100, right? So दो zeros हैं तो दो digit से पहले क्या लग जाएगा decimal, so that will be 249.48, right? So let me just cross check that whether I have reduced it right or not, right? So the value was 4989.60, right? So यहाँ पे 2 जा 4 हो गया, 2 4 जा 8, 1 remaining, that will make 18, 2 9 जा 18, then 2 4 ja 8, 1 remaining, that will make 2 8 ja 16, right? So that is okay. So this is going to be, you can see the inside surface area of this, you can see dome here, right? So you can see that will be in now meter square, right? So area is always going to be in meter square, right? So this is the, you can see inside surface area of this dome, right? Now in the second part, what we have to actually calculate here is that the volume of air inside the dome. So आप देखिए अंदर से तो ये एयर ही है, इसके अंदर completely hollow है. So यहाँ पे जितनी एयर होगी वो क्या होगी एक्चुअल में इसकी inside volume होगी. Getting the point? So the volume you can see of air inside will be actually the capacity here you can say, or you can say the volume, right? So मुझे पता है कि volume of hemisphere is calculated by, if you just remember here, so how we calculate, you can see the volume inside this. So the formula to calculate the volume is 2 upon 3 pi r cube, right? So that was the formula to calculate the volume of a hemisphere. So let us do this. So first I'm going to rub this. So now you can see, if I just talk about, you can see the volume. So this is the second part of this question. So the volume of air inside dome will be calculated by 2 upon 3 pi r cube, right? So यहाँ पे हमें क्या पता होना चाहिए, इसकी radius पता होनी चाहिए, right? So first of all, before moving on to this, you can see volume, हमें यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, radius चाहिए. So how we will first calculate the radius, right? So let me just tell you. So first we need the radius, if I just correct this, so the radius of dome, or you can say hemisphere. So यहाँ पे radius चाहिए मुझे इसकी. So कैसे निकालेंगे इसकी radius? Now हमें first part में पता है, हमने क्या निकाल लिया, the inner curved surface area, right? So curved surface area ये, so that is 249.48, right? So let me just make some space here. Now we know the inner curved surface area जो कि हमने कैलकुलेट किया है यहाँ पे, that is 249.48, right? So 249.48 meter square, right? So now let me just tell you कि inner curved surface area निकालने का hemisphere का formula क्या था, right? So you can see if I just write the curved surface, remember you can see we have done it earlier. So curved surface area of hemisphere is, you can see, 2 pi r square, right? So this is the formula that we have done earlier in the videos. So if you just remember this formula, so you have to learn all the formulas if you want to solve the question of this exercise as well, right? So यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 pi r square, the curved surface area of a hemisphere, right? So यहाँ पे हमने curved surface area already find out किया था, that is 249.48. Now मुझे पता है कि curved surface area निकालने का formula क्या था, that is 2 pi r square. So मैं इसकी यहाँ पे क्या लिख दिया, formula लिख दिया. Now already यहाँ पे मुझे curved surface area पता है, that is 249.48. So मैं इनको equate कर दूंगा, right? As we have done earlier in the questions as well, right? So यहाँ पे अब देखिए आप इसको solve करता हूँ. So 2 into pi की वैल्यू कितनी है, 22/7. Now r square will be as it is, right? Now let me just rub this down. So here you can see equal to 249.48, right? So अब मैं क्या करूंगा, इस 7 को कहां भेज दूंगा, उधर multiply में, and this 2 and 22 will move on in the division, right? So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, 249.48 into 7 divide by 2 into 22. Let me just draw this line straight. like this. Now यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा r square, which we have to find out the radius, right? अब यहाँ पे क्या करता हूं मैं, इस डेसिमल को रिमूव करूंगा तो डिवाइड में कितना आएगा 100, बिकॉज डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट्स हैं, राइट? नाउ I will remove this decimal from here. Now it's time to reduce it at the table of, you can say 2, right? So 2 1s are 2, then further 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 remaining, there will be 2 7s are 14, then 2 4s are 8. Now further if you want to reduce it on 2, so that will happen, so 2 11s are 22, then again you can see if I reduce this, so 2 6s are 12, then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 remaining, that will make 14, 2 7s are 14, right? Now let me just check out whether it reduced at the table of 7 or not, right? So it will be, you can see 11 5s are 55, then 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, right? So 7 remaining, that will make 73. Then you can see 11 6 are 66. So what will be remaining here? You can see 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. Again 7 remaining, so 11 7s are 77, right? So you can see at the table of 11 it is reducing 567, right? Now you can see here this is what we have got here. So let me just cross check. So if I just show you here, if you just feel some little problem out here, so you can see 11 5s are 55. Now removing it will give you, you can see 12 minus 5 is 7, then you can see that will become 5 minus 5 0, right? So that will bring 3 down, so 11 6 ja 66, right? So you can see 13 minus 6, that will be 7. Now this 7 will also get down, so 6 minus 6 0 ho jayega, right? Now 11 7 ja 77, right? So we have got, you can see at the table of 11 this reduced at 567. So what is remaining here is 567 into 7 upon, you can see 100, right? Now let me just multiply this. So it will be, you can see 567 into 7. So 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, then 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 4, you can see that will be 46. So 4 carry, then 7 5 is 35 plus 4 39. So that will be 3969, right? So let me just tell you, radius square कितना आ जाएगा 3969 divide by 100, right? अब आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं रेडियस का स्क्वायर है, सो ये स्क्वायर यहाँ पे हटा दूंगा तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या हो जाएगा, राइट हैंड साइड पे स्क्वायर रूट आ जाएगा, सो 3969 डिवाइड बाय 100, राइट? सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, इनको अलग अलग कर लेता हूँ, 3969 का स्क्वायर रूट और 100 का स्क्वायर रूट. Now you can see 100 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना होता है 10, because 10 into 10 is 100. Now let me just find out the square root of 3969, right? So if I just find out the square root of 3969, so you can see, let me just tell you here, so the 3969, right? So 3 3s are 9, then you can see, then further here you can see 3 9, so that will be 6 6 are 36. So let me just check out 63 here, right? So 63 into 63, so 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, then 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 1, 37, right? So 8 and 8, you can see 16, 7 8 9, so you will get here, you can see 63 into 63 is 3969, right? So फिर यहाँ पे 3969 का square root क्या हो जाएगा 63, right? So now let me just rub this. Here you will get, you can see denominator में कितना है 10 है, so एक digit से पहले decimal लग जाएगा, एक 0 है ना, so that will be 6.3. So that will be, you can see the radius in meters, right? So meter, it will be in meters. So the radius we have found out as 6.3 meters, right? Now you can simply put this, you can see 6.3 meter radius into, you can see, sorry, the volume here, right? So what is the volume? You can see that is calculated by 2 upon 3 pi r cube, right? So यहाँ पे radius में क्या रख दूंगा? Simply 6.3 meters, right? So this is how we are going to find out further. So let me just rub this. So you can see 6.3 meters is the radius. So let me just now find out the volume here, right? So volume of air inside dome. That will be 2 upon 3. Now into pi की वैल्यू कितनी है 22 upon 7 into radius आपने अभी calculate की, that is 6.3 cube, right? So radius की वैल्यू कर दी मैंने 6.3. Now further we have to just solve this. So 2 upon 3 into 22 upon 7. Now 6.3 का cube क्या होगा? 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3, right? Now decimal remove, that will give a 10 in the denominator. Now similar kind of thing will happen with this, like this, right? So यहाँ पे decimal remove कर देता हूँ. So now you can see 7 1 is 7, 7 9 is 63, right? Then further 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, right? Now you have to leave zeros in the denominator, so 10 into 10 into 10, that will be 1000. You can see 3 zeros, right? Now मैं multiply कर दूंगा इन सभी values को. So यहाँ पे 63 into 63. Let me just check out. So 63 into 63, that will be 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18. Then 6 3 is 18, 1 carry 6 is 36 plus 1, 37. So 9, 8 and 8 is 16. Then there will be 7 and 2, 9, so 3. So there will be 3969, right? Then 3969 into 3. Let me just do that. So there will be 3 9 is 27, 2 carry, then 3 6 is 18. Then you can see 19 20. So 2 carry, then 3 9 is 27. 27 plus 2 29. So 2 carry, then 3 3 is 9 plus 2 11, right? So there will be 11907, right? So then you have to multiply by 22 into 2, that is 44, right? So we have to multiply this by 44. So let me just make some space here. So 11907, remember this. So 11907 multiplied by 44, right? So this is what is remaining here, 2 into 22, 44. By this, you can see 11907. So if I just multiply this, so there will be 4 7 ja 28, 2 carry, then 4 0 0, 2 as it is. Then 4 9 ja, you can see 36, right? So 6, 3 carry, then 4 1 ja 4, 5 6 7. Then 4 1 ja 4, right? Now similar thing will came down here. So there will be 8, 2, 6. You can see 7 and 4, right? So let me just add them. So 8, 2 and 8, 10, 1 carry, then 6 plus 3, 9. You can see 7 plus 6, 13, 1 carry, 7 plus 5, that is 12, 1 carry, so there will be 5. So 5, 2, 3, 9, 0, 8, right? So let me just write down. So 5, 2, 3, 9, 0, 8. Now this is a denominator में कितनी zeros हैं? 3 zeros. So 3 digits से पहले क्या लग जाएगी? Decimal. So 523.908. Now you can see volume will be in meter cube. So this is going to be the air inside, the volume of the air inside this hemispherical dome, right? So this is how you can see we have to solve this question. So first of all, we will calculate the curved surface area by dividing the total cost of, you can see, whitewashing inside by the cost of whitewashing 1 meter square. That was 20 rupees, right? So that will give us the inner curved surface area, right? Then in the second part, first we have to calculate the radius of this hemispherical dome, right? By equating the formula of curved surface area, that is 2 pi r square, by the curved surface area that we have calculated in the first part, right? So that was 249.48, right? So इससे equate करने में हमारे पास क्या आ गई थी? Radius, that was 6.3 meters. Then simply substitute this radius into the formula of the volume of a hemisphere, right? So this will give us, you can see, the volume of air inside the dome as 523.908 meter cube, right? So this is how you have to solve such type of questions.